Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to hide groups on Facebook. If you're looking to declutter your app or keep your group activity private, you're in the right place. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it done in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will take you to the main menu. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This is where all your customization options are located. Now, under the Preferences section, look for an option called Tap Bar. Tap on it to proceed. This is where you can manage what appears in your navigation bar. From here, select Customize the bar. This feature lets you decide which shortcuts are visible and which ones you'd prefer to hide. Finally, find the Groups option in the list. Tap the button next to it and select Hide. Once you've done this, the Groups shortcut will no longer appear on your navigation bar. And that's it. You've successfully hidden groups on Facebook. This small adjustment can help keep your app organized and tailored to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more helpful tips to make your social media experience even better.